In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a custom field on a card. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you're looking at, and how to make your custom field look and read the way you want. Start by opening the card you want to work with. Once the card is open, look for the Add option inside the card's details. This is where new elements can be attached to the card, and it's the entry point for the feature we need. Click on Add to reveal the available options, then choose Custom Fields. This area is dedicated to fields you can tailor to your workflow, like labels, tags, or any extra information you want the card to carry. When you land in the Custom Field section, you'll see suggested fields. These are common presets designed to save you time, and they're a great starting point if you don't want to build something from scratch. If one of the suggestions fits your needs, just click on Add next to it. That adds the field to your card instantly, so you can start tweaking it to match your style. After it's added, click on it. This opens the field settings so you can make it your own. Begin by adjusting the color. Color isn't just decoration, it helps you scan your board quickly and spot priorities or categories at a glance. Pick a color that stands out in your workflow and is consistent with any visual system you already use. Next, change the title. A clear, descriptive title makes the field obvious to anyone who opens the card, including you in a few weeks when you've forgotten the original intent. Use short, specific wording so the purpose is unmistakable. With the color and title set, your custom field is ready to go. At this point, you can add a custom field to the card with confidence, knowing it's aligned with how you work. If you're using suggested fields, remember, you can still rename them and recolor them so they don't feel generic. And if you repeat this across multiple cards, keeping the same titles and colors will make your board more readable and easier to manage. That's all there is to it. Click on the card, click Add, open Custom Fields, choose from the suggested fields and add one, click on it to adjust the color, change the title, and you're set to add a custom field that fits your process perfectly. Thanks for watching and enjoy streamlining your